This is a sample demonstration of our README toolkit. For starting our README toolkit, this is our homepage present at tapish2000.pythonanywhere.com. Link will be present in the description below. If we want to enter any repository, we have to enter in this format in the form of a GitHub repository. So some of the repository links that we have earlier tested on, let us try out with this. So initially when I will press the check, it will do a API call, and with our own algorithm we'll try to show what things are present. So we can show a sample of what is actually present in our MedConnect. So doing a side-by-side comparison, we can see that it has understood about MedConnect, installation, app features, app info, libraries used, upcoming features, maintainers, and contributing. So these are also the specific sections that the current README has. Apart from it, some other metadata like number of images, number of URLs, lines of codes, which include both installation steps as well as usage steps. So total we have 4 lines of code. Apart from that, there are other help percentage which has been provided by the GitHub API itself. We don't have a code of conduct in this repository, neither code of conduct file nor contributing file issue template. If these all will be also present, for example, license also not present, but README is present. So overall health percentage provided by GitHub REST API is 33. Now we can proceed further clicking on this button. So here we can write further, like purpose of the project MedConnect was to app for and then our target audience is business, social welfare. Genre of the project is, since it is an app development, so we'll choose here mobile app development. Apart from that, it also had a backend development and server, so backend as a service. We don't have any license, so we'll use next. Now here also we have installation steps and code. For example, we can write normal installation steps. Here we have to enter the description of the code and the installation step. So for sample, we can show here that just for and here we can also see the preview of it. Initially we have the description and here the code. Further going, we have this usage step. So in usage step also we can test out. It's just for sample purpose. So for cloning we all know. So here also we are adding the step. Now when we will click on the finish, we'll get with a prompt, are you sure you want to finish? So yes. And here we have got our readme in the markdown format. Let us also check what is its markdown format review. So here we have MedConnect. We have understood that it is a Java repository from our logic. Apart from that, we also have our description. We have our installation step that we had read earlier, usage step. We have our various authors and acknowledgement. All these have been processed using the REST API call, and the user need not enter so much. Only some important aspects have to be entered. We also have the option of copying to clipboard. So on copying to clipboard, we are getting text copy to clipboard prompt. For sample, we can also show here. As you can see here, we have got our same thing has been copied to the clipboard, and now we can paste it. Or else we can also do a download of the same, and it will be downloaded in the form of outreadme.md. And this is the complete demonstration of our project. Apart from that, we can also put image files here as well. For example, if I go to idea section and then put a logo, then and we can put save, then this will also insert the image here as well. For this we are using our Cloudinary API, and it will take a bit time to call. this is all for the demonstration. Thank you.